forget to subscribe. Also, click on the bell for notifications. Hello, this is Jessica from Lonely Mary Creations, coming to you another SWF and my S12 video. So this is on the SWNS software. So I'm going to be setting up my palette on there, as well as my needle positions, and show you some of the errors that I had on the way. Make sure to have a pen and paper ready to go so you can write down your palette to make this go faster. Don't mind the mess of my craft room. I've been using it to create projects as well as homework. Once the machine's on, this link here is closed up. That means I can open this up and start working on my design or transferring it. So let me open that up. And this is the status. This is my last stitch out I did. That's what's on the screen. It has 25 different colors sequence. So, and this one is what needle position it is. I usually use white on my appliques. What you're going to be seeing on the right side of the screen are going to be the images that are on my embroidery machine. So alright, so this is the one I had already done. So once you edit this on here, it'll keep the colors that you are going to use on the machine. So this one's done, like these ones right here. That's why I like using this software, because I can see actually what's going to be stitched out, the colors I had picked already out. This one is a gray, so it's kind of hard to get the gray color on here. This one I did not adjust, so that one I just did that one onto the machine. These ones I adjusted, so let me adjust this before I place this on there. And again, this table, every time you open this up, you have to adjust every single table. I had to edit a step, so I had to redo the table for the colors. Alright, I gotta go close this up, and I gotta now mess with her and do this again. This is the only time consuming for this is adjusting these. But once they're in the machine or saved on here, you're ready to go on there, or you can open them up and just edit the colors if you changed out the cones. 4 is like a grayish color. 5 is the linen. 6 is a teal. 7 is a purple. 8 is a lavender. 9 is cancel. Pink. Purple. I always remember there's 3 cones on each one, so I remember that the 9 is always lavender for now. 10 is my mint. 11 is my orange. And 12 is my yellow. Alright, let me save this palette again so I won't mess up. Let me bend this a little bit. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9 more to go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, this one's gonna be a little bit difficult. You're gonna be confused, but just go with the flow and count your numbers of stitches. Stitch out appliques. Always keep them in the beginning so it won't be confusing. So that is, making sure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Need 4 more. 14. 15. 16. 17. And 18. So I have it stopped at like the 19 because you want to do your fabric cut before the 19. So it looks off right here because you have all the S's even though you run it down, but there's 18 spots for that starting on number 2 and the beginning of number 2. So all right, so we did our appliques, so now we're on number 20th. So your positions are each of the colors again. So these ones are all separated. If I would have had 2 of the teal, this is considered one. So these 2 colors of teal is considered 1 needle position. All these yellows are considered just 1 position. You could print this out, but that's going to waste a lot of ink, or you could just write it down in that little notepad so that way you can just punch it in, especially when you punch it into the software. It's just a one-time deal since it's going to be saving on there. Also, it'll be saved into your embroidery machine. I'm going to forward it, but I left this part on there after applying all these colors, because if you save it, sometimes you will get an error where you're going to have to redo everything, and again, save your color palette so you don't have to redo that. This is why I save my things over here, because sometimes this does that where I have to close that. Now my link is broken. I think I had it on too long, so I got to reset that. I already saved my color of my threads, hopefully. Green. Okay. Yeah, so I had already changed it. As you can see, everything's already set. Always save your color palette first before you put these on, because you're going to have a big old headache. So I'm just going to go all of them. 18, 19 is 6, 6, 10, 5, 6, 12, 6, 6, 5, 2, 2, 5, 7, 10, and 6. I'm going to save it right now. Close it up. But I'm also going to put my stops now. So there is 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I was able to create another design after this video. I did not record that, but I was able to do an applique in the beginning of the design and then also on the end of the design. So that one was guessing, but actually all my appliques came out perfect, so I did not mess up on that one. Let's go put 19. I might go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll see. Okay. I think I went over once, but save that. Close it. Close. Make sure this is highlighted. It's blue. Uploaded. And let's go back to the monitor. I could always close this right here. And hold on. Let me go to the machine first. Daughter's area, my Gen 2. There we go. Okay, so it's right here. Upload. Load it. And she's right there. Let's go back. Okay, so she is right there. As you can see, you can monitor from your laptop using this software. And that's it for this video. This is Jessica from Lonely Creations. Till next creation. Next video is coming up.